Want to display dynamic SQL or database content right inside your Elementor pages? In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do that using WP Data Tables, one of the best tools for working with large datasets in WordPress. By the end, you'll have a powerful, responsive, and sortable table pulling live data from your database, all without touching a single line of front-end code. Let's dive right in. Our first step is setting up the table in WordPress through WP Data Tables. If you've never used it before, don't worry, it's incredibly user-friendly. From your WordPress dashboard, look over to the sidebar and find the WP Data Tables option. Give that a click, now hit Create a Table. This part forms the backbone for everything, because the table you make here is going to pull all your live database information onto your website. Taking a moment to set this up thoroughly makes managing and showing your data on Elementor pages so much simpler in the long run. On the next screen, you'll need to choose your data source. You're going to select Create a Table linked to an existing data source. This is crucial because it tells WP Data Tables that you want to connect directly with a database, rather than uploading a static file like CSV or Excel. Out of all available options, choose MySQL Query. Why MySQL? It allows you to write highly flexible queries, whether you're tapping into your WordPress site's main database or even linking up with a different external database entirely. This way, you're not just limited to posts or users, you can display anything you want: sales data, membership info, custom product catalogs, and more. Now for the SQL input, here where the magic really happens. Input your select query to fetch exactly the data you want. For example, if you want to display all registered users, you'd write something like select from WP users. You could filter with where clauses or sort the columns in your query. It's as flexible as SQL allows. And if you're not super familiar with SQL, there are plenty of resources and templates online to help you get started. The important part here is that you're now connecting your live, ever-changing database, so the table updates automatically every time your data changes, no manual updating pipeline needed. Once you're happy with your table, it's time to bring it onto your Elementor page. Head back over to your site's front end and open up the page you want to edit with Elementor. In the left-hand Widgets panel, search for You should see the widget pop right up. Drag it into your page anywhere you'd like the table to appear. A drop-down will let you pick the table you just created, so just select it, and watch as Elementor instantly renders those live database results on your page. The table is fully responsive by default, so it'll look fantastic on desktop, tablet, or mobile, and users can interact with it by sorting, searching, or filtering as needed. If you hit any permissions or connection issues, don't worry. Double-check your database settings in the WP Data Tables setup. Sometimes you might need to coordinate with your host or a developer for access, especially if you're connecting to an external database. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've taken live SQL data and displayed it beautifully in Elementor, using WP Data Tables, and everything updates in real time. If you found this tutorial helpful, tap that like button. And if you run into any issues or have questions about custom queries, leave a comment below. I respond to as many as I can. And for more practical WordPress and Elementor tutorials, make sure to subscribe so you never miss another tip. Thanks for watching and happy building.